Passive income is the ultimate dream for many investors. It's the kind of income that keeps flowing even when you are not actively working. So real estate is one of those best avenues to generate passive income, offering a variety of strategies to build wealth over time. Whether you are just a beginner in the investing world or you're just starting, so this guide will explore the most effective way to generate passive income in real estate business. So let's dive into it. Let's start with the first one: rental properties. Owning rental properties is one of the most popular and reliable ways to generate passive income in real estate. So this is how you can get started in it. So the first one is find the right property. Look for properties in high demand areas with good rental potential. So factors you need to consider are location, the amenities, and local market trends. The number two is finance smartly. Secure financing from firms or individuals so that to ensure that you secure rental income that exceeds your mortgage payments and other expenses. The third one is property management. Hire a property management company to handle day-to-day operations, tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of rental income without hustle or stress. The second way to earn passive income in real estate is real estate investment trust, or call it REIT. So REIT allows you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. They are companies that own, operate, and finance income-producing real estate across various sectors. So now, these are ways you can actually make money from REITs. Number one is through diversification. By investing in REITs, you gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of different real estate assets. The second one is liquidity. Unlike physical properties, REITs can easily be bought and sold on the stock market. The third one is dividends. REITs can be required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, providing a steady income for their investors. The third one is through crowdfunding platforms. Real estate crowdfunding platforms have revolutionized the way people invest in real estate. These platforms pool funds from multiple investors to finance real estate projects. So let's look at ways this affects real estate, or ways you can make money from this real estate crowdfunding platforms. Number two is low entry barrier. So crowdfunding allows you to start investing relatively small amounts of money because you're pulling funds from people. Access to diverse projects. You can choose to invest in various types of properties, from rental to commercial and to everything in between in real estate. Third one is hands-off approach. The crowdfunding platform management team handles all aspects of the investment, from acquisition to management, allowing you to earn passive income without getting involved in day-to-day operations. The fourth one is short-term vacation rentals. With the rise of property like Airbnb and Verb, short-term vacation rentals have become a lucrative way to generate passive income. So these are ways you can make money from short-term rentals. Number one, through short-term rentals, they offer high command nightly rates compared to long-term rentals. This simply means that you tend to pay more when you stay shorter and tend to pay less when you stay longer. That's why we call it short-term vacation rentals, because of the income that it brings to the investors. Flexibility. You can choose to rent out your property whenever you feel. That is flexible. You can choose to rent it out tomorrow or any day you choose, as long as there's somebody out there to use it. Professional management. So consider hiring a property manager service that can specialize in short-term rentals to handle the bookings, the guest communications, and property maintenance. So this is very, very advisable for somebody who is going into short-term vacation rentals. The fifth one is real estate syndications. Syndications involves pooling funds with other investors to purchase large properties or projects such as investment complexes or commercial buildings. So let's look at ways to earn income from this. The first one is passive investment. As a limited partner, you contribute capital and share in the profits without participating in management of the property. The second one is property management. The syndicator and general partner handles all aspects of the investment, from acquisition management to eventual sale. So, let's look at the third one, potential for high returns. Syndications can offer substantial returns, especially if the property performs well. The sixth one is lease options. Lease options provide a unique way to earn passive income by leasing a project with an option for tenants to purchase it in the future. So let's look at the ways you can make money from this. Through option fee. Collect an upfront fee from the tenant, which provides them the right to purchase the property at a predetermined fee. The second one is rental income. Earn regular rental income during the lease term. Potential sale profit. So if the tenant now decides to buy the property, you can still benefit from the sale. Most of the time, the price is always higher than the initial value. The seventh one is real estate partnerships. Partnering with experienced real estate investors can be an excellent way to enter the market and earn passive income. So these are ways you can do that. One, by sharing responsibilities. So partnerships allow you to share responsibilities and the risk involved in real estate business. You leverage expertise involved. So partnering with experienced investors can provide valuable insight and increase the likelihood of successful investment because of what? Based on their experiences and their expertise. Third one is profit sharing. You earn passive income through profit sharing arrangement based on the partnership agreement. Another one is, now after saying all this and done, now what's the end point? So creating passive income in the real estate business is not only achievable but also highly rewarding. So by looking at these strategies like rental properties, REITs, crowdfunding, short-term rental, syndications, lease options, and partnership, you can build a diversified portfolio that generates steady income with minimal effort. So today, start evaluating your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and the amount of time you want to commit. With the right approach, real estate can be your gateway to financial freedom and long-term wealth. So, having said this, if you have questions, please leave it on the comment sections, and our team will try as much as possible to respond back to you. Meanwhile, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.